Let's take a super quick look at some of the interactive visualizations in this so-called paper of the future that was created several years ago now in order to demonstrate the potential of interactive technologies and data sharing in the future of scholarly publishing. And we'll leave the main point aside and we'll just scroll down to a few of the interactive figures. So here's one where we can actually click on this little note that says code, and what we'll get eventually is an option to open a Python notebook. Let's open it here. That will actually let us play with the data and the format of that figure. And I'll just do something really simple. Let's see, I'll run the code so you can see what it would look like here. Sorry. Um, this is what the standard figure that's already in the paper looks like. And then let's just say I wanted to change the name of the figure. So let's change it to the Rubin cloud. And then if I go ahead and run all again, I've changed the caption. You see, I could also change anything else, but we don't want to take too long. So let's jump back over here into the paper, and we'll see here that we have an interactive figure that provides a whole story if you click on the different panels. And what's interesting is you can also, like, let's select only the moons of Jupiter that Galileo observed, and you see that there are these four up here that are the most massive that were observed in 1610. And so this is the kind of linking of views that we talk about when we discuss software like Glue or Tableau, where you get instant insight, being able to interact with more than one panel at once, and you can do that right inside of a paper. This was an old paper that provided 3D views of the inside of a molecular cloud in a PDF. We'll skip that for now. We'll look instead at just this one other demonstration. Let's take this image from the early 1900s and let's see it on the sky where it goes in the context of modern all-sky surveys and other data. This is inside of a program called Worldwide Telescope, and we can launch that right from the paper of the future. And we could, of course, decide we want to see other data in addition to the historical data for the same region, etc. Or we could decide that we want to, look up more information about this object. And so anyway, this all started from the paper of the future, which is much richer than an ordinary paper today.